there, ever found yourself nursing a nasty headache during fasting, especially in Ramadan? Well, you're not alone. Turns out, there are plenty of reasons why fasting can trigger those pesky head pounders. From low blood sugar to caffeine withdrawal, dehydration to wonky sleep schedules, fasting can be a real headache inducer. Now, you might have stumbled upon countless tips online like watching your sugar intake or guzzling water like it's going out of style. But stick around, because I'm about to spill the tea, literally. Yep, I'm talking about one of my all-time favorite things, tea. But before we dive into the soothing world of tea, let me drop a quick Ramadan hydration tip. Spread those 8 glasses of water throughout your day. 2 at iftar, 4 in between iftar and suhoor, no more than 1 per hour, and wrap it up with 2 more at suhoor. Oh, and when you break your fast, take it slow and opt for the healthy stuff. Alright, let's talk tea. First up, we've got chamomile. It tastes like apples and is often suggested for digestive problems. It has stuff in it that can calm your gut and ease stomach cramps. Sipping chamomile tea might help with gas and make you feel relaxed. But, if you're allergic to flowers like daisies or ragweed, watch out. There's a compound in chamomile tea called apigenin that can help calm down your brain and body, which might help with feelings of anxiety and sadness. Next on the list is peppermint tea. It is like a chill pill for your tummy. It has oils that calm upset stomachs, ease cramps, and help you digest better. Plus, it can zap nausea and migraines thanks to menthol, a calming compound. And get this, it's a bacteria fighter too. Drinking it regularly can ward off fevers, coughs, and colds by stopping bacteria in their tracks. With a bunch of vitamins and antioxidants, peppermint tea acts like a shield, keeping you healthy and happy. Ginger tea's up next. It has been used in cooking and medicine for ages. It's great for nausea and indigestion, and even safe for pregnant women. Sip on ginger tea for relief from coughs, stomach issues, and it might even help lower blood pressure. Plus, gingerol, one of its components, might even help fight tumors. And hey, many people swear by it for easing arthritis and muscle pain too. Now, how about a cup of fennel tea? Drinking fennel tea can help with heartburn, gas, and cramps. It can also freshen your breath and fight bacteria in your mouth. Plus, fennel tea has antioxidants that grab onto bad molecules in your blood, which can help your organs work better and keep your skin looking young. Next is lemon tea. It calms your upset stomach, stops nausea and vomiting, and boosts your immune system. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, which helps heal wounds and keeps your bones and teeth strong. Also, when you're feeling under the weather with a cold or flu, this tea can act like a natural antibiotic. Lemons also contain bioflavonoids, which can help stop cancer cells from growing and spreading. And those antioxidants? They're like warriors fighting inflammation and arthritis. So, adding lemon to any herb tea gives you a ton of benefits. For example, ginger and lemon tea can lower heartburn and help your body absorb food better, preventing bloating. It even gives your appetite a boost. And who could forget dandelion tea? Dandelion tea is like a superhero for your body. It can help with sore muscles, tummy troubles, joint pain, and even skin issues like eczema and bruises. Plus, it boosts pee production and helps you go to the bathroom easier. Some folks even use it to fight infections and cancer. It's like a multitasking tonic for your health. Next is rooibos tea, also called red bush tea. Like ginger tea, rooibos tea is a great solution for upset stomach. It calms the stomach with the benefits of quercetin, an anti-inflammatory known for its own long list of health benefits. Now, let's raise a mug to green tea. Green tea is considered to be the healthiest beverage on the planet. It is loaded with antioxidants and nutrients that have powerful effects on the body. It helps to improve brain function, lose fat, and lower the risk of cancer. The consumption of green tea for digestive health dates back thousands of years. Green tea is also a great source of antioxidants and healing compounds including polyphenols, catechins, and various other types of flavonoids. Green tea is also known to boost memory, kill cancer cells, and prevent diabetes. Oh, and pro tip. Go for whole leaves when brewing your herbal teas, but if you're reaching for the tea bags, make sure they're packed with organic goodness. So, there you have it, your ultimate guide to tea for tackling those fasting headaches. So next time your head starts pounding, skip the painkillers and reach for a cup of tea instead. Your body will thank you. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more content like this.